Good morning, class. In the last lecture, we are study multiplication of matrix. Now we are study transposition of matrix means transpose of matrix. In this sum, A is a matrix is equal to Aij. Then it transpose means A raised to T means A transpose, also called as A dash is equal to Aij, is obtained by interchanging the row and column. How to write transpose? Matrix of row and column interchanging, then this matrix is called as transpose of matrix. Means here this is the matrix and this is the transpose of matrix A. So we are interchanging row and column. This row convert into column and this row convert into column. So interchanging row and column, so we get transpose of matrix. Property of transpose of matrix: A transpose of transpose is equal to A, because A of transpose this and this matrix transpose give again matrix. So A transpose of transpose is equal to A. So A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and again as it is B transpose plus A transpose. So now multiplication: AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose multiplied by A transpose. A dot A transpose means A multiplied by A transpose is equal to A transpose multiplied by A is equal to I. I means identity, and these equation are called as orthogonal matrix. Means A dot A transpose is equal to A transpose dot A is equal to identity is called as orthogonal matrix. Method to express a matrix as a sum of a symmetric as a symmetric matrix. Any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and symmetric matrix. A be a given matrix and A dash be a transpose of A. Means A is a matrix and A transpose means A dash is a transpose of A. We can write A is equal to half of A plus A dash plus 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. A is equal to half of A plus A dash plus half A minus A dash. Here we can write A plus A dash whole dash is equal to A dash plus A dash of dash. Means A dash of dash is equal to given A, means transpose of transpose given matrix only. So A dash plus A, we can write also A plus A dash. So A plus A dash whole bracket dash is equal to A plus A dash. A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, or also half of A plus A dash is also symmetric matrix, and A minus A dash whole dash is equal to A dash minus A dash raised to A dash. So A dash minus A, and take it minus sign common, so A minus A dash. So here A minus A dash is a symmetric matrix, or half A minus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Now this is equation: A is equal to half A plus A dash plus half A minus A dash. So this is a symmetric matrix and this is a symmetric matrix. Now one example: this is matrix A and this is matrix B. वेरीफाई, हमको ये वेरीफाई करना है A प्लस बी ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू A ट्रांसपोज प्लस B ट्रांसपोज. दिस इज 2 cross 3 matrix and this is also 2 cross 3 matrix. So now this is matrix A given and this is matrix B. So transpose is interchanging row and column. So this is row right as a column and second row as a second column. So same here, second matrix first row as a first column and second row as a second column. So we can get a transpose of A and B. Now A plus B means addition of two matrix. We know that. Study in our last lecture. This element plus this element, this element plus this element, and this element plus this, and this plus this, 5 plus 3 and 0 plus 0. Now we given this matrix. Now consider LHS, because of we show that this is equal to this. So giving LHS, A plus B whole transpose, this transpose we can take. So first row, first column, second row, second column. So we get a transpose. Now take a LHS is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. हमने फाइंड किया है ट्रांसपोज ए एंड बी, सो एडिशन ऑफ बोथ ट्रांसपोज. सो वी गेव 1 5 5 8 and 3 0. So this is the same. 1 5 5 8 and 3 0 are both are equal. So LHS is equal to RHS. So A plus B transpose so is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Second example. Here also given one matrix and here second matrix, but here A matrix is 2 cross 2 and here 2 cross 3 matrix. So now to verify AB transpose means A multiplied by B transpose is equal to B transpose multiplied by A transpose, also called as AB dash is equal to B dash multiplied by A dash. Now A and B are given matrix. So A transpose and B transpose we know that how to write. First row, first column, second row, second column, first row, first column, second row and second column by interchanging row and column. Now consider A dot B means we take a cross product. So here column first matrix column 2 and here row is 2. So both are equal order. So then we can multiply by both matrix. So we know that हमको मालूम है मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसी है, हमने ये पढ़ा है इन लास्ट लेक्चर. So this way and this way. So 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3 minus 3 multiplied by 1. Then again first row and second column, then first row and third column, then second row and first column, then first row and second column, then again second row and third column. So we giving this equation. Then AB is equal to 3 minus 2 4 8 minus 1 and 2. So transpose of AB means AB transpose. So we can write this matrix interchanging row and column. So now we take product of A transpose and B transpose multiplied by A transpose. So now here this matrix is 3 cross 2 matrix and this is 2 cross 2. Now again here column and here row are same. So we can multiply this matrix. Now here also same. Now multiply by these and these, then first and second, then second row first, then second, we take third row, first column and second column. Then we giving this equation means this matrix, this is a AB transpose. Now here this matrix and this matrix are same. So AB transpose is equal to B transpose multiplied by A transpose. Hence prove, हमने ये वेरीफाई प्रूव कर दिया कि AB transpose is equal to B transpose multiplied by A transpose. Now we show that matrix A is an orthogonal matrix. ये ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स है, हमको ये प्रूव करना है. मीन्स ऑर्थोगोनल कब होगा? A मल्टीप्लाई बाय A इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी, तभी ये ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स होगा. नाउ गिवन दिस इज A मैट्रिक्स. नाउ A dash means interchanging row and column of matrix A. So cos 0 minus sin 0 1 0 sin theta 0 cos theta A dot A dash. So multiply with this is a 3 cross 3 and this is also 3 cross 3 matrix. So now first row first column cos multiply by cos plus 0 multiply by 0 sin multiply by sin. Then first row second column cos multiply by 0, so 0 value is 0, 0 multiply by 1 value is 0, sin multiply by 0 value is 0. Now here first row and third column, so cos multiply by minus sin here, then 0 multiply by 0, so 0, and sin multiply by cos, so sin multiply by cos. So same as it is second row and third row. So we giving cos square plus sin square 0 minus sin cos and plus sin cos. So this is cancel 0 1 0 sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. So this is also cancel and sin square theta plus cos square theta. But sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This value is 1. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is, we know that this is a identity. So a multiplied by a dash is equal to identity. We take equation number 1. Now a dash dot a. Now this is also 3 cross 3 matrix. Now again multiply by these. So now these are cancelled, plus and minus, and sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So this is give identity. So a dash multiplied by a is equal to identity. From equation number 1, these and these are give identity. So a dash multiplied by a is equal to a multiplied by a dash is equal to identity. So a is a orthogonal matrix. A is a orthogonal matrix. Hence prove. Now, next example. Write a matrix A as a sum of a symmetric and a k-symmetric matrix. Now given this is a matrix. So given that A is a 3 cross 3 matrix, the transpose of A, so we interchanging row and column, this and third row third column, we interchanging row and column, so we giving transpose of A means A dash. Now we take half of A plus A dash, so is equal to half. This is matrix A and this is a matrix A dash. So we take addition here, so we get 2 0 3 0 10 9 3 9 6. Now divided by 2, because multiply by half, so dividing all 2. So we get this matrix. Also half A minus A dash. So half of matrix A minus matrix B. Then subtraction A minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus minus 2 means minus minus plus. So 4 minus 1 means plus. So minus 2 minus 2, minus 5 minus 5, 3 minus 6, minus 1 minus 4, 6 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. So giving this equation and divided by 2, so we get this matrix. So now add equation 1 and 2 means this half of A plus A transpose means A dash plus half of A minus A dash. This means this value is, we know that A is equal to this. We are studying in a previous one. Now we addition this plus this from equation 1 and 2. So 1 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, 0 plus -2, 5 plus 0, 9/2 plus -3/2. Here base are same, so common and then addition. Here 3/2 plus -5/2, here 9/2 plus 3/2, 3 plus 0. We giving this matrix. So A is equal to this. This is, we know that A is equal to half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. Now put this is a P and this is a Q. Here P dash is equal to half of A plus A dash whole dash. So we interchanging equation number 1. So we put equation number in this matrix. Equation number 1 we put in this matrix. Then we interchange row and column. So we giving this matrix. So this is also matrix P. So P dash is equal to P. So P half A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Now again Q dash is equal to half of A minus A dash whole dash. We put here value of equation number 2. Now this is a dash, so we interchanging row and column. We get this matrix. Now minus sign common outside from this matrix. So this is a plus, plus -2, -3/2, -5/2 and plus 3/2. So giving this. So is equal to minus Q. Since Q dash is equal to minus Q. So Q half A dash, Q half of A minus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Means this is a symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix. So this value is symmetric matrix and this matrix is a symmetric matrix. Now determinant of a matrix. If A is any square matrix, then a determinant write as a mod of A or determinant of A. Now in this determinant means we want to find the value of this mod of A. So given this is a matrix and we write in a determinant, so mod of A and take a mod, not a square bracket. Take a here mod. So cross multiplication, 4 multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by 2, giving mod of A is equal to -2. Mod of A is equal to -2. Here mod of A means mod of A not equal to 0 means this matrix A is a non-singular matrix. So singular matrix means a square matrix A is said to be singular if mod of A is 0. जब mod of A 0 होगा तब उस मैट्रिक्स को हम सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स कहेंगे. एंड नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स, a square matrix A is called as non-singular matrix if A not equal to 0 means mod not equal to 0. जब मैट्रिक्स का mod 0 नहीं रहेगा तब उसको हम नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स कहेंगे. Now this matrix A and this matrix B show that a matrix AB means product of AB is a non-singular matrix. means AB का mod हमें not equal to 0 आना चाहिए, तब भी हम कहेंगे उसको कि AB is non-singular matrix. Now just prove this is the matrix A and this is matrix B. Here column is 3 and here row is 3, so easy to multiply it. Now we take a multiplication to matrix, so giving this. So AB matrix is 1 minus 1 7 10. So we take now mod. So mod of AB 1 1 minus 1 7 and 10. So now cross multiplication, 1 multiplied by 10 minus 7 multiplied by minus 1. So 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. So 17 is not equal to 0. So AB is non-singular matrix. Hence prove. We show that AB is a non-singular matrix. Now study cofactor of an element of a matrix. be cofactor of element of a matrix. This is a matrix be in a square matrix. This is A is a matrix in a square matrix, and we take a mod of A. Mij is a determinant obtained by element ith row eliminating ith row and jth column of mod A. We take suppose A M11. Suppose M11 means this M11. We eliminating ith row means 1th row and 1th j means 1th column. So we get this cofactor element. Now Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j multiplied by Mij. This formula we study in last lecture. Last lecture. So we know that these and these this we are study already. This already you are study. So this C and C22, C31, C23, C2 then C33 are a cofactor. These are all cofactor to find. How to find? Here C11 means we eliminating first row and first column, so we get C11 of these. Then C12 means one row and second column, so these and these we take here and take minus sign. So these are easy. So this is the cofactor of matrix C11, C12, 13, 21, 22, 23, C31, 32 and 33. So these are also same. Adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a square matrix A is a transpose of matrix formed by cofactor of element of matrix of a mod A. We write as a adjoint of A or adjoint of bracket A. We denoted adjoint matrix ADJ of A means adjoint A, and ADJ bracket A means adjoint also A. Now to find adjoint of matrix, हमको जब adjoint matrix find करना होगा तो हम ये step follow करेंगे. Now to find a adjoint matrix. Now step 1, first form mod of A. मैट्रिक्स को हम मॉड के फॉर्म में लाएंगे. देन फाइंड माइनर ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट ऑफ ए. यस, फाइंड कोफैक्टर ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ मॉड ए यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला, अबोव फॉर्मूला. देन स्टेप 4, राइट डाउन कोफैक्टर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. दिस कोफैक्टर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स हमको लिखना है. देन स्टेप 5, जॉइन एडजॉइंट मैट्रिक्स is the transpose of cofactor matrix. Formula is given, adjoint matrix transpose of cofactor of matrix means these are a cofactor. So इसका हमें ट्रांसपोज लेना है. cofactor means these are a cofactor. इसका ट्रांसपोज लेंगे means adjoint of transpose. Now property of adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of square matrix is means 2 cross 2. Here this is a matrix A, 2 cross 2, A11, A12, A21, A22. So we take in a mod A. So mod of A11, A12, A21, A22. Now we to find cofactor. So C11 cofactor of element of A11 is a M11. So this is A22. C22, so cofactor of element is A12 means minus M21, and cofactor of C21 is that is a A21, so minus M21 and C22 cofactor of element A22 is a M22 is equal to A11. So cofactor is given this, so we put P is equal to this cofactor, that is an adjoint of A, means transpose of this matrix, transpose of P. Here P is a cofactor matrix. So जब हमको एडजॉइंट निकालना होगा तो P का ट्रांसपोज लेंगे, मीन्स कोफैक्टर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज मीन्स एडजॉइंट ऑफ A. Now adjoint of matrix of order 3 cross 3. Here 3 cross 3 matrix same as it is. This is the matrix we first taken in a mod. So this also in a mod. So find a cofactor of this matrix by using this formula. So cofactor is this. We find above की cofactor 3 cross 3 matrix same as it is. So C11, C12, C13, that is here we can show 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3 comatrix. Cofactor is this. Now cofactor is P means cofactor. So C11, C12, 13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32 and 33. So same as it is any, then take adjacent of A means transpose of P means transpose of this matrix. So we get adjacent of A. Now find the adjacent of matrix A. We take A is equal to this matrix. So first we write in a mod, then cofactor of each. हमको सबका cofactor find करना पड़ेगा, C11, C12, C21 and C22. So these are a cofactor of these elements. So we put in a P. P means cofactor of matrix. ये cofactor का matrix है. Now adjoint of A means transpose of cofactor of P. P का हम transpose लेंगे. So 7 first row first column, second row second column. So first row 7 minus 1. So here 7 minus 1 and 6 4. So 6 4. Taking interchanging row and column. So this is the adjoint of A. Now inverse of matrix by adjoint method. हमको inverse find करना है by using adjoint method. So A and B, two singular matrix such as AB is equal to BA is equal to I means identity. Here I is a unit matrix. Matrix A and B are said to be an inverse matrix to each other. Here AB square and singular matrix. So A is a singular matrix means mod of A not equal to 0, and inverse of A usually denoted by A inverse. Inverse is denoted by always A inverse means that type. Minus A means A inverse. So then A dot A inverse is equal to A inverse dot A is equal to identity. You know that. Now we taken this. We have A multiplied by adjoint A. Then adjoint A multiplied by A is equal to mod of A identity. Now we take these and these. So A multiplied by adjoint of A is equal to mod of A multiplied by identity. So identity we can also write in this way. So A multiplied by adjoint A is equal to mod of A dot A inverse. Now A goes this shifting left side. So A multiplied by mod of A multiplied by A inverse. Now left cancellation law. So this A. So left A and left A are cancelled. So adjoint of A is equal to mod of A inverse. Then these mod of A are multiplied by A inverse. goes on that side, so divided by adjoint of B, adjoint of A. So adjoint of A divided by mod of A is equal to A inverse. So this formula to find A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 upon mod of A multiplied by adjoint of A. Now to find inverse of matrix by adjoint method. So this is given matrix. Given A matrix, there are 2 cross 2 matrix 3 1 2 4. Now we take a first in a mod 3 1 2 4. Now determinant is 12 minus 3 multiplied by 4 12 and 1 multiplied by 2 minus 2. So value is 10. Mod of A is equal to 10, not equal to 0. So A is a singular matrix. So A inverse exists. Now to find A inverse, first to find cofactor of matrix A. कोफैक्टर कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? ऐसे वी गिविंग फॉर्मूला Cij इज इक्वल टू माइनस रेस टू I प्लस j Mij. दिस इज C11, C12, C21, C22 and cofactor matrix is P. These, so cofactor is this. We can take a transpose of P. So adjoint of, we giving adjoint of A, we get adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is transpose of cofactor matrix P. So P is a cofactor matrix. So हम इस मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो हमें एडजॉइंट मैट्रिक्स मिल जाएगा. सो इंटरचेंजिंग रो एंड कॉलम. सो एडजॉइंट ऑफ A इज इक्वल टू 4 minus 1 minus 2 3. A inverse is equal to 1 upon mod of A adjoint of A. Now this adjoint A put in this formula. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon mod of A value is 10 and adjacent A is matrix this. So A inverse is this. Now matrix equation, two equation in two variables. Here two equation, these and these, and the, in there two variables x and y. So this matrix is called as matrix equation, and there 3 cross 3 matrix. So there 3 equation and 3 variables x, y and z. So we write in this form. Solution of a simultaneous equation by matrix inverse method or adjoint method. How to find? Consider a symmetric system of a simulation equation simultaneous. Now this is the equation. We can write above equation in a matrix form. This equation को हम matrix form में लिखेंगे in this way. So this is Ax is equal to B. So means this matrix is A, this matrix is X, and this matrix is B. And here first column is coefficient of X, second column is coefficient of B, and second column is coefficient of Z. Now this X is column and constant is B matrix. So this is our matrix constant. So A cross X is equal to B. We also write in a X is equal to A inverse B. So keep multiplication by A inverse on the both side, here and here. So A inverse A, we get identity. So X is equal to A inverse B. Now to find where A inverse value is 1 upon mod A multiplied by adjacent of A. We now in this equation find the value of x, y, z. So we taken first step, write a linear system equation in a matrix form. हमको जो इक्वेशन दिया होगा उसको हमको मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में लाना है. देन कैलकुलेट द मॉड ऑफ ए. देन फाइंड अ कोफैक्टर ऑफ एलिमेंट मॉड ऑफ ए. देन फाइंड आउट एडजेसेंट ऑफ ए. मीन्स हमने वो अभी किया है, वो फाइंड एडजेसेंट ऑफ ए एंड कैलकुलेट ए इनवर्स. दिस गिवन फॉर्मूला using x is equal to a inverse b. Then find the value of x, y and z. Solve by matrix method the set of equation, or also this question is using matrix inverse method. So this is a equation. First we write this in a simple form. Then this equation we can write in a matrix form in this way. So this is x a, this x and this b. So this matrix is x and this matrix is a, this matrix is x and this is constant b. Now we know that x is equal to a inverse b, equation number 4. Now to find a inverse by this formula. So first we take mod of a, then we want to find mod of a. So here mod of a की वैल्यू क्या है, 1, means mod of a not equal to 0, that is a is a non-singular point, so a inverse exists. Now to find adjacent of a, उसके लिए हमें फर्स्ट उसको कोफैक्टर फाइंड करने पड़ेंगे, बिकॉज ट्रांसपोज ऑफ कोफैक्टर वी गिविंग एडजेसेंट ऑफ ए. नाउ वी फाइंडिंग कोफैक्टर ऑफ C11, then C12, C13, C21 and C22, all of things. Then these all of value C are cofactor. So we giving cofactor matrix P को हम cofactor कहेंगे. So this is matrix is P, cofactor matrix. Now adjacent of A is equal to transpose of cofactor of P, means P transpose. We interchanging row and row to column, so giving transpose of A. Now we take a find a inverse, A inverse. So value सबकी वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. So 1/1 mod of A की वैल्यू 1 है and adjacent of A की वैल्यू that is transpose of adjacent of A की वैल्यू this, put in equation this. So inverse is this one. So put in equation number 4. This equation number 4, put in the value of A inverse. Then multiply two matrix, this and here, third row and third column and third row. So easy to multiply this and this. So we giving this value. So here x is equal to 1, y is equal to -1 and z is equal to 2. In this way to find x, y and z. Now these are a homework for you to solving some problems. This one and this one. In the next lecture we are studying partial fraction.